Let's see, what is our question here? You want to dilute. Dilute! If dilute is a word in the question, we probably want to use the dilution equation. What volume of concentrated glucose should we start with? Well, the 1 here indicates this is the starting volume. So this is what we want to find out. So we can solve for V1. Let's just divide both sides by M1 to get rid of M1 on the left. And it appears on the right. Now let's figure out what these other variables are. If we have a 250 milliliter volumetric flask, that is going to be our final volume. Not necessarily the water that we add, though. We always start with the more concentrated solution. So we are starting with 0.5 molar glucose. And we want to end up, this would be our final or our diluted solution, with 0.2 molar glucose. So let's just put these numbers in to replace the variables in our equation. We can see that molarity canceled, and we get 100 milliliters. If you are at all comfortable with algebra and are able to divide both sides of an equation by a variable to solve for one variable, you should stop watching now. But if you want to know all possible solutions for every variable in the dilution equation, you should keep watching. Although this isn't the recommended approach because I hate memorization. But here's the equation to solve for the initial molarity. Here's the equation for the final diluted molarity. This one is to find the initial smaller volume, and this one is to find the size of volumetric flask to use.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.